bring their products to suit your tastes. Take a look at what's on offer in your seatback menu or your digital download. Choose from a handpicked range of hot and coldies, combining this with a soft drink and a snack to create.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today as I take a little trip around England's green and pleasant land with my knitting. We make stops in Gloucester, Bath, Chipping Norton, Stow-on-the-Wool, is that what it's called? Burton-on-Water, and lots of other places that I probably have totally forgotten now, but hope you enjoy. Oh, and I should add that we're actually here for a wedding on the Saturday. This is over a weekend. There's no footage of that, but I hope you enjoy all these other little things. We've just come from Chipping Norton and we've done some retail therapy. There's lots of good shops there. I got some wool, so I'll show that to you a little bit later. Just wanted to show you what I bought in the local yarn shop. We're in Chipping Norton. We were at a wedding yesterday and I found a yarn shop called the Fibre Works, and they had some of this Armscote Manor Portland wool, which I had watched an interview. The girl, I think her name's Deborah, did an interview with Corinne of the Woolly Thistle, and it was absolutely fascinating, all about the sheep, the yarn, the history of the estate, so that was really interesting. So I got some of this undyed Portland wool, which feels amazing, by the way. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for, but we'll see. And the wedding I was at yesterday, the mother of the bride made all the place cards, and look what's on mine. A ball of wool. How cool is that? And so yeah, I got that, and then I'm almost finished the hat for my little girl. This is the one that's to match mine, and the yarn is Marina, Skua's Mendip DK. This is DK and this is 4-ply. So I'm using the colorway Ore on the Sunny base, and the pattern for this was the Stockholm hat by Petite, but this one here I'm just kind of making it up to be something similar. I'm going to do the same type of decreases, although I might change one of them, because if you watch my last podcast you'll know I wasn't that keen on one of them because it made kind of a gap where you did the decrease, so I might just change that. So I'm at the point where I need to start the decreases and I haven't quite figured that out yet. I've also been working on this little bag me and Alex Collins did together for my socks. And yes, I did bring all these metal needles in the plane, no problem. I did this while we were sitting at the pub one night waiting for our food. We waited quite a long time that night. We were there a couple of hours, so I got quite a lot of the cuff. Well, there is no cuff, it's just 3x1 rib, but I got all of this done in one night. So, and I'm using 2.75mm needles for this, and for the little hat I'm using 2.75 as well. So that's how the projects are going. I'm sure there'll be a little bit more video footage after this, but hope you enjoyed my little trip around England. Forgot to say I'm wearing my Levitate wrap by My Favourite Things Knitwear. I wore this to the wedding and it's in my limited edition Jacob, Chivia and Hebridean yarn. I haven't got much left of it, just a few skeins, so yeah, if you want some, there's some left still. And this is a lovely project. I knitted it at quite a loose gauge to achieve the effect in the pattern. I think it looks really nice, and I did some modifications on the arms, but you can go back 2 podcasts ago. I think I go through all the modifications, so yep.